Fams, this is your boy Jaime G, and your boy's about to drop it like it's hot, baby. I'm breaking guys off the latest and greatest in the wild, wild west of crypto land. Guys, if any of you guys are new to my channel, your boy talks about Doge and overall crypto market news. Now, if that sounds good to you, maybe you can help me out by hitting that like and subscribe button. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. That's all I ever ask for, guys. I don't show any links. I don't ever ask you guys to click on any of my affiliated links or anything like that. I don't even leave them in the subscription, guys. I didn't make my channel for that. I made my channel to break you guys off the latest and greatest in crypto, right? And in Doge. So you guys don't have to go and do it yourself. You come to my channel, you get broken off the latest and greatest, and then you can go on about your way and save time. You know what I mean? And effort and having to look up information on what's going on. You just come to this channel and you find out what's going on. All right, guys, none of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts, opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Now let's get it, baby. All right, guys, Bitcoin is up 2%. We're sitting at 63,892 with 49 cents. Bitcoin is doing its thing, baby. You know what I mean? We had that Bitcoin ETF on the New York Stock Exchange. History in the making, baby. You know what I mean? We had El Salvador making Bitcoin legal tender. Now we have here in America freaking ETF changing on Bitcoin ETF on the New York Stock Exchange. Guys, Bitcoin cryptocurrencies continues to make history. I'm telling you guys, we're in the beginning stages of adoption, guys. Continue to invest and HODL, and you will make life-changing wealth. I'm telling you, man. All right, guys. All right. Dogecoin ranks number 10. We are at 24 cents. We are down 3.2% for the day. Not too bad, guys. It's obviously consolidating, which is a good thing. It's getting prime and ready for a major breakout. You watch. All right, guys. So 24-hour low is 24 cents, and a 24-hour low, or high rather, was 25 cents. Market cap is sitting at 32.045 billion, and volume has gone down major, guys. We're at 1.41 billion as opposed to yesterday at $5 billion. We're down 4 billion, guys. I don't know what's going on, but obviously there's no buying pressure, which is why the price is where it's at. All right, guys. Enough of the stats. Now let's dive into the charts, okay, and show you what's going on here. All right, guys, you know your boy always looks at the daily, right? So I have two red lines here, okay? So we're obviously looking at the support, which is the 50-day moving average, and that is coming in at 24 cents, okay? That's support. Now, as far as resistance goes, okay, we have the red line up here. That's the 200-day moving average. That's coming in at about 28 cents, okay? Technically, it's at 0.2760. Round that off, that is 28 cents in my opinion, okay, guys? So now, in my opinion, I think resistance right now is going to be at around 25 cents, guys, because if you look, I'm going to make a line and show you guys. Bam, right here, okay? You see this white line? Okay, now let me get my doodler so I can doodle. Okay, obviously we tested it right there. We tested it right here. Okay, guys, now if we go back some, and if you look over here as well, right, we test, come on. Uh-oh, hold on, guys, I'm trying to show you here. Come on, okay. So if you look, basically all in this area here, we tested 25 cents, and we had a hard time. We struggled with 25 cents there, guys. As you can see, right? We struggled, and then we dipped, right? 25 cents was resistance. We dipped, and then we came back, and now we're testing it over here in this area, okay? So, in my opinion, 25 cents is a pretty crucial level of resistance that we need to get broke past before we start testing that 200-day moving average. Okay, guys, so resistance is at 25 cents. It's technically around 0.2555 if we want to be technical, but that's 25 cents, or you can call it 20. Actually, I'm going to call that 26. I take that back. I'm going to say 26 cents, guys, right? Because it's a 255. So I'm going to say 26 cents is our resistance and 24 cents is our support. All right, guys, that's what I had as far as the charts go, right? Now let's get into some Dogecoin news here. All right, I got quite a bit of articles here. Let's get into the first one here. All right, which one? Take my pick here. Now, real quick, right? We got Shiba and Doge now available on who buy and earn. See what the earn APY. It's pretty good, guys. Now it says Doge can be staked with 88% APY, guys. You know what I mean? That's pretty good, man. 88% on whatever your investment is. Say $1,000. You get 88% of that in a year, obviously. But that's a good return, guys. That's almost $800 that you would get, right? I think I'm doing the math right. So I think that's pretty cool, guys. You know what I mean? That's a good incentive for who buy, which is a platform out of China. All right, now it says Cardano chosen by Australians, Dogecoin #1 in the U.S. Now it says it is interesting that every country has its own favorite cryptocurrency. Overhyped mimic token Dogecoin is preferred by U.S. cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Right, and then in Australia, obviously, it's Cardano. Indonesia, it's BNB, right? But here in the lovely US of A, we like Doge, you know what I mean? So that's pretty cool. I just thought I'd share that as well. It's no news, but just something to know, right? All right, now. It says AMC CEO reveals when Dogecoin will be accepted for tickets. During his Tuesday appearance on CNBC, AMC CEO Adam Aron announced that the world's largest movie theater chain will enable payments in Dogecoin the first quarter of 2022. I think we'll be able to take Dogecoin in Q1. Customers will be able to pay for tickets and make concession stand purchases with the leading meme cryptocurrency. As previously announced, AMC will add support for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin by the end of the year. All right, guys, that's bullish news, right? There's over 1,704 companies that formally accept Dogecoin as a form of payment, right? That's for all the haters, right, out there that said that Dogecoin has no use case, no value, so on and so forth, right, guys? But 1,700 companies say otherwise, right, guys? And then you have AMC, which is one of America's biggest freaking movie chains, right? Obviously, in Q1 of next year, they'll start accepting it as a form of payment. That's bullish news, guys, right? That just goes to show you acceptance for crypto, and not just for crypto, but for Dogecoin, right? The list continues to grow and grow for companies accepting it as a form of payment. All right, guys, I had another article here. Where did it go? Where did it go? Boom, boom, boom. You know what, actually, guys, I'm sorry. That's all I had for you guys as far as Dogecoin goes, right? Now, let's get into some overall crypto news, right? If it'll load up. Hopefully you guys are having a blessed day, guys. All right, it says 99% of all Bitcoin supply is now in profit. Bitcoin is currently trading above 62K with a market cap of 1.17 trillion. Guys, that is huge, right, guys? You know what I mean? We were just at 29,000 a couple months ago. Now we're back up to making all-time highs. You know what I mean? That is freaking huge. It says Bitcoin, the world's most valuable digital asset, saw a major rally during the first 2 weeks of October. Bitcoin is now up more than 40% since October 2021 due to the latest rally. Large part of the overall Bitcoin supply has turned profitable, guys. So it just goes to show you, man, if you continue to hodl, you will make your money, man, no matter what. Not no matter what, I'll take that back, guys, but you know what I mean, 99%. You know what I mean? So if you would have bought even at the top, guys, at all-time high, you'd be breaking even, but nonetheless you wouldn't have lost. But if you would have bought, say, even at 40,000, 50,000, you're in profit, guys. Goes to show you, man, Bitcoin is a good asset to be invested in. Now, it says that, let me get into this article here. Excuse me, my throat's raspy. It says the Bitcoin bubble hasn't even started yet, says analysts. According to analysts, the Bitcoin bubble hasn't even started yet, given the supply held by short-term holders. Bitcoin's price is up a considerable 100% since the lows below 30K a few months back. Guys, listen to that. It's up 100% from just a couple months ago. But one analyst believes that the true bubble hasn't even started. It says, according to crypto quant analyst who goes by the Twitter handle VentureFound hey, we have yet to see the real Bitcoin bubble. He argues that the bubbles form when the momentum of short-term return attracts enough money that the makeup of investors shifts from mostly long-term to mostly short-term. At the time of the writing, the short-term holders account for 17% of the supply distribution, a number that is sitting at an all-time low. Moreover, the narrative further dives into the reason behind bubble formation, says that. Right, guys? You know what I mean? So he thinks, obviously, that, you know what I mean, the bubble hasn't even, when they say the bubble, right, guys, that just because of the hype and, you know, the just the money that's going into it, so on and so forth, right? So he just hasn't even started. That the party, long story short, the party hasn't even started, guys. You know what I mean, is what they're saying. All right. Now it says Lightning continues to strike. Bitcoin adoption building momentum. Guys, we have a ETF trading on the New York Stock Exchange, a Bitcoin ETF. That is huge, right? Now it says Bitcoin has seen a surge in its main use case via the second layer payment solution Lightning Network on the rise since the start of 2021. That application could have silenced its detractors as gains more adoption in the coming months. Guys, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, just digital assets, cryptocurrency is here to stay, guys. I continue to tell you guys over and over that we are in the beginning stages, man. And those of us that continue to hodl are going to make life-changing wealth, guys. You know what I mean? So, all right, guys, that's what I had for you. You know, nothing crazy, nothing super exciting, guys. You know what I mean? But, you know what I mean? We, like I said, I continue to say Bitcoin is doing great. We have the Bitcoin ETF now. You know what I mean? Just another, a notch for adoption. All right, guys, so you guys stay safe, stay blessed. Hopefully this video was informative, useful, possibly helpful. If it was, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. If not, it's all good in the hood, baby. I just appreciate your time and you checking my video out. You guys stay safe, stay blessed. Until tomorrow, your boy Jaime G is out. Peace.